Hey, what's popping everyone? My name is Atikullah Asif. And in today's video, I'm gonna solve a problem of yours. So any farther though, let's get to the video. Before we start the video, can you please subscribe and turn on the post notification? I really need your support. So if you are seeing this problem, you might have another account named like this account, or your account is hacked by anyone. So Facebook locked your account. So you should see a button that says get started. But there is no button right now. There is only a learn more option and one help option on the top if you carefully see it. If you click help, it will show some tips on how you can get your account back. But this won't help you to unlock your account. Actually, what happens? There are a great number of Facebook accounts all over the world. So Facebook is locking the types of accounts that may be suspicious to them. And you might be one of them. So you have to click Learn More button now. It will take you to the Facebook help page. And if you see here is a link that says visit the site. If you click that, it will take you to the same page again. So what you have to do, scroll down all the way down and you will see if this page was helpful. You have to click on the no button. And you can see now that there is a text box. Now you have to write your problems as I write here. I am just copying and pasting. But the main thing is I will give this text to the description. Now you have to go back to the Facebook check page and take a screenshot. Then open your email account and send an email to Facebook and write the same thing. The subject will be, Facebook account locked problem. And now paste the screenshots here. And send it to Facebook. The email name will be in the description. Now you have to wait for 24 hours. It usually sends you a mail. And it comes in 1 to 7 days. Now you can chill on your couch. After getting the email you have to confirm your identity and you will get back your account. If you have any more problems you can ask me in the description box. This is always open for you guys. Now I am ending this video. I will show you the rest of the video after getting the email back. So if you want to see that video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that you can get all of my videos in time. Hope you have a wonderful experience. Thanks for watching.